Today I want to show you guys how to change the suspension link that adjusts the headlight level on an E39 5 Series. Now what that means is the height and the adjustment of the aim of the headlight beams is actually adjustable based on a small arm that mounts to one of the lower control arms on the passenger side, and it adjusts a control unit which then in turn interprets that signal and adjusts the height and the aim of the headlights based on the height and the angle of the suspension of the car. This one is really worn and is broken off, so we're going to go ahead and replace that with a new link. For this job we're going to need an 8mm and a 10mm wrench. Remove this 10mm nut, and we can remove the old arm. All we have to do now is tighten the new nut. We'll put our 8mm on the link and our 10mm on the nut. Now it's important to do this slowly and carefully because the arm that we're attaching this to, right here, is made of plastic and we don't want to break it. Okay, so now that our new link is connected, all we have to do is attach the link to the control arm. And squeeze the clip together with a pair of pliers. As always, thanks for watching. I hope this little video helped you out. If it did, please click the like button and subscribe.